Is Novo really a bank account? Let's unpack it. Ever since the rise of online financial services, the line between traditional banks and these new players has blurred. You might be wondering, is Novo a bank account? Especially if you're considering making the switch or opening a new account altogether. This video dives deep into Novo, exploring its features and functionalities to answer that burning question. But before we jump in, let's rewind a bit. The traditional banking landscape, a familiar friend or foe. We all know the drill. Brick-and-mortar branches, monthly fees, and navigating a sometimes complex system. Traditional banks have served us well for decades, offering a sense of security and stability. But for many, especially millennials and Gen Z, the limitations are becoming increasingly apparent. Fees seem to be multiplying faster than rabbits, and minimum balances can feel like a constant hurdle. Plus, who wants to waste time waiting in line when technology offers a more convenient alternative? Enter the fintech revolution, disrupting the status quo. Financial technology, or fintech, has stormed the scene, promising a new way to manage your money. These innovative companies provide financial services entirely online, often through user-friendly apps. Suddenly, banking feels less like a chore and more like, well, managing your money. Features like mobile check deposits, budgeting tools, and instant transfers make financial control easier than ever. So, where does Novo fit in? Novo positions itself as a financial platform designed specifically for freelancers and independent contractors. They offer features that cater to this unique demographic, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's not a bank account. Here's where things get interesting. Novo partners with a reputable bank, FDIC insured, to keep your money safe. This partnership allows them to offer some core banking features, but with a twist. What Novo offers: free checking account, no monthly fees, no minimum balances. It's a breath of fresh air compared to traditional banks. Mobile app, manage your finances on the go. Deposit checks, pay bills, and transfer funds with ease. Freelancer-friendly features, separate business and personal expenses with ease. Categorize income by project and generate invoices directly through the app. Fast and secure transfers, send and receive money quickly. No more waiting for days for checks to clear. Smart integrations, connect your favorite financial tools to streamline your workflow. What Novo doesn't offer: physical branches. This is an entirely online platform. If you prefer face-to-face interactions with a banker, Novo might not be the best fit. Loan products. Currently, Novo doesn't offer loans or credit cards. Cash deposits. While you can deposit checks through the mobile app, depositing cash requires a partnership with a third-party service. Is Novo a bank account? The verdict. Here's the answer: it depends on your definition of a bank account. Novo doesn't offer every single service a traditional bank might, but it provides core banking functionalities like check deposits, mobile banking, and secure transfers. Your money is also FDIC insured, providing peace of mind. So, is Novo a good fit for you? If you're a freelancer or independent contractor who values a user-friendly platform, free checking, and features designed to make your financial life easier, then Novo could be a great option. However, if you need access to physical branches, loans, or cash deposits, a traditional bank might be a better choice. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Novo offers a compelling alternative for a specific demographic, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the platform that empowers you to take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.